Well, hello crew. This is Cassidy with just a very quick update of something very interesting. We have an update on the murder case. I'm just going to read it to you real quick because it's very self-explanatory, but it says, with the Honorable Clifton Newman presiding, the defendant was convicted of the murders of Margaret Kennedy Branstetter Murdaugh and Paul Terry Murdaugh on March the 2nd, 2023, and sentenced on March 3rd, 2023. On October 27th, 2023, the defendant filed a motion for a new trial. I find that Judge Clifton Newman has requested to be removed from all post-trial matters related to the above referenced matters. It is hereby ordered that the Honorable Jean Hofer Toll, I don't know if I've pronounced that correctly, retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of South Carolina, be assigned exclusive jurisdiction for the limited purpose of presiding over defendant's motion for a new trial in the above matters. Justice Toll shall decide all matters pertaining to these cases, including motions to appoint and relieve counsel, and shall retain jurisdiction over these cases regardless of where she may be assigned to hold court, and may schedule such hearings as may be necessary at any time without regard as to whether there's a term of court scheduled. And this is ordered by Chief Justice Donald Beatty. So, we won't just be having a regular circuit court judge. We are going to have a retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of South Carolina. I think it's good news indeed. So this doesn't mean it's going straight to court. What it means is that Justice Toll will be the one to look at all of these filed motions, including the motion for a new trial, and will be the deciding factor on where the case will go from here. This is the judge handling these motions. So hopefully, we will hear some announcements soon and some rulings on these motions that have been filed. Chief Justice Toll was the first woman to serve as a justice of the South Carolina Supreme Court. She began as an associate justice on March 17th, 1988. She was re-elected in 1996 and was installed as Chief Justice on March 23rd, 2000. Re-elected again in February of 2004 and again in February 2014. She married her law school classmate, William Toll, and the two served as editor and managing editor of the South Carolina Law Review. They have 2 daughters, a grandson, and a granddaughter. She has received multiple awards in her career, served in the South Carolina House of Representatives, representing Richland County for 13 years. She was also the first woman in South Carolina to chair a standing committee of the House of Representatives. I'm sure we'll hear a lot more about her in the coming days, but I can't tell you how pleased I am to see a woman take this case. As always, this is Cassidy O'Connell saying stay well and stay tuned.